Our car and vehicle pushers are designed for car dealerships that often have huge lots full of vehicles in a wide range of different conditions. Almost any car dealer will have vehicles that are practically right off the assembly line to those that have seen better days and are in need of repair. In order to get those vehicles where they need to be shown off to customers or to be fixed, mechanics need the right type of car pusher equipment. A CarCaddy Car Pusher from DJ Products makes the job of getting any vehicle from point A to point B faster, safer, and easier than manually pushing. The CarCaddy Car Pusher is designed to push cars and vehicles up to 50,000 pounds. These vehicles generally have pneumatic tires, such as cars, trucks, RVs, and buses. The CarCaddy is battery-powered and designed for long run times between charges, and plugs into any 110-volt outlet for charging. The tilting motion forward allows the adjustable push pad to gently rest under a bumper or tow hitch before pushing. Accelerating forward causes the car pusher to tilt backwards, raising the pad and transferring weight to the drive tires for traction. The unit weighs close to 650 pounds, which is ideal for pulling cars in situations where access to the back of the vehicle is limited. The variable speed handlebar twist grip also helps an operator to easily and slowly start pushing a car when icy and wet conditions exist. The unit can travel at speeds of 0 to 3 miles per hour forward and backwards. If you have questions, please call one of our sales engineers as they can help you with your vehicle moving application or any other wheeled cart or equipment application, as we have over 25 different models for moving anything and everything on wheels. Call us at 1-800-686-2651 or visit us at djproducts.com.